Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. We have some jobs in the healthcare field dealing with medical records. I have order entry. I even have Bath and Body Works hiring someone to temporarily input in like employee data, entering employee data, things like that. They're probably getting ready to hire a lot of additional employees for the upcoming holiday season. We have a Netflix hiring. We even have like a credit union bank hiring. If you don't mind customer support, I threw that one in the end. So hopefully a mixed bag, a little bit of a something for everyone. I do want to quickly note, I don't work for any of these companies. I simply share things that I find online. So if I don't highlight or mention the pay, it's because it's not mentioned in the job listing and I would have no way to know what the company is paying. That would need to be discussed with them at the time of the interview. But as always, links, timestamps, all additional information you may need can always be found in the YouTube description box that's generally located below the video. First up, we have the company Ventra Health. They have 206 reviews from past and current employees, the overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.6 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a chart research specialist. Location is remote. It looks like they're hiring remote throughout the United States. It doesn't state that they have any state restrictions, but their working time zone is the Eastern time zone. So, probably like a 8 to 5, a basic day shift. So, if you're outside of that time zone, you'll have to convert your hours to verify that that works for you. But they are basically looking for somebody to kind of research medical records, making sure they're complete, making sure all the electronic medical records information is in the system by identifying and obtaining any missing patient chart information. So you might need the doctors to sign off on forms that are in the patient's chart to make them complete, or you might need other information to make the patient's the electronic medical record complete. So you'll have reports on incomplete medical records based on guidelines given. Can't talk today, goodness. And you're conducting reviews of different systems, just retrieving existing medical records, scanning, inputting the documents into the patient's correct medical record. So you're basically indexing forms and stuff into the correct patient. And you're pulling these medical records through like automated tasks. So it's all kind of digital through the electronic medical record system. Only requires a high school diploma or GED, and at least 1 year experience handling a patient information or medical records is preferred, not required. So, no experience in the healthcare field is actually required for this. As long as you kind of know medical terminology, you're kind of good with things that are in the healthcare field, like explanation of benefits. You kind of know what those words mean. You have great critical thinking skills, great organizational skills, great time management skills, and of course, you're willing to follow all federal laws, HIPAA laws, things like that. Now, next up, we have the company NuMotion hiring. They have 476 reviews with an overall rating of 3.6 out of 5 stars. And they are looking for an order entry coordinator. Again, remote for the United States. Now, this job does list pay. Their pay range is anywhere from $20 an hour up to $24.90 an hour. They are looking for somebody to kind of be the liaison or go between their technology professionals and their manufacturers by reviewing quotes for accuracy and pricing, equipment, parts, and discount structures. So you really have to be able to retain knowledge and think critically. But you are looking at these orders and you're working with those vendor representatives to make sure that the orders are 100% accurate, no duplication of order specifics. You're proofing the work, you're doing the initial quality control, reviewing these vendor quotes, vendor orders, submissions for revenue validation. You are kind of just making sure that the part numbers are correct and match for the order. You're making sure that retail dealer discounts are on the order form correctly, that they match what's in the system. You're just making sure all the orders are correct. Now, it only requires a high school diploma or GED, and somebody who has 2 years experience and maybe some kind of a durable medical equipment is preferred. But if you don't have that, they're looking for customer service experience or some kind of a quotation or quality assurance. So any kind of experience in any of those fields, you do have to be able to work in a fast-paced environment. They want somebody who's kind of worked in an office environment before, somebody who can kind of generally read and interpret regular business documents. So, of course, you got to have problem solving skills, analytical skills. Now, next up, we have Bath and Body Works hiring. This is going to be like a temporary seasonal job. We're going to start to see seasonal jobs as we get closer to the holiday season. This one is going to start in September and go through the end of February. So, like 2 months after kind of the holiday season ends. Bath and Body Works has 11,000 reviews with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.8 out of 5 stars. They are looking for an HR data representative. So this is not regular HR, it's basically inputting that HR data. Now, this is remote. They don't state they have any state restrictions, and pay is $20.40 an hour, I believe. I don't know why they put per year there, but I do believe they meant hour there. Now, again, this job start date is supposed to be September 15th, going through February 27th of 2026. And it looks like the hours are 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So convert your hours to see if that works for you. But again, they're going to be hiring a lot of employees for the upcoming holiday season to work in their stores and things like that. And so they're going to have extra people helping with HR to manage the employee data for all these employees. So you're going to manage the entry of pay discrepancies, and any temporary assignment pay for the enterprise. So you're correcting all of the different HR systems, the employee data in those systems, like the core HR, their benefits, their plan leave. You're making sure that that is all entered correctly into the system. And when something needs to be changed or updated, you're updating that information in the system. So you'll be validating transactions accurately and timely in the system as far as minimum wage, different pay, and of course, you're documenting all the transactions into the HR system. Now, this does mean you might have to be on the phone being like a customer service rep to the employees. Employees might be calling into HR and telling you what information needs to be updated. But this only requires a high school diploma or GED, and they do want somebody who has had 1 to 2 years of experience in HR or some kind of related field. And they do say that if you've had retail experience, that's a plus. So if you've ever worked in a retail store, there you go. Other than that, you need somebody who can communicate great, somebody who has great attention to detail. And of course, you can work around those computer systems like Microsoft Office, OneNote, Outlook, Excel, all the different things. So let me show you this UV sanitation light up close. I really do want to thank the company for sending it to me to check out for you. Now, first off, it is 39 watts, so it covers about 300 square foot of space at a time. That makes this sanitation light perfect for spaces like bedrooms, offices, pet areas, kitchens, bathrooms, and so much more. Now, this is a UVC quartz lamp, so it does deep sanitation. And over here on the side, it even comes with a remote control to make use easy. Now, there's two ways you can use this. There is a power button on the base. You can press it to turn it on and off, and then you just keep pressing it 1, 2, 3 to rotate through the different timer options, with their 15 minutes, 30 minutes, and 60 minutes. Or you can use the remote for ease of use. Now, one thing I do want to note about the sanitation lamp is when you turn it on, it'll kind of beep and the 15-minute timer will come on. If you click the 15 minutes or 30 minutes or 60 minutes, whatever time you select, once you select that time, it's going to beep a few times before it actually comes on. So let me show you that real quickly. So here I have my remote, and I'm just going to press the on button to come on, and you can see the 15-minute time lit up. So then I'm just going to hit the 15-minute button, and you'll see it blink and beep a few times. It'll start rapidly beeping, and that's when it'll turn itself on. And then, of course, once it come on, it's going to stay on for the timer that we have, 15 minutes, and then automatically turn itself off. So if you're looking for a way to sanitize different areas in your house, this one is so easy to use. Highly recommend. Next up, we have Netflix hiring. Now, this is a little bit of a more advanced position. I generally try to do more entry-level positions that would appeal to a wide range of people, but sometimes I just find things that I feel like need sharing. Netflix probably needs no introduction. They have 3,400 reviews, an overall rating of 4.2 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a producer for their games, for their live operations. Again, remote for the United States. This basically means that you're working with their developers and their different cross functional teams to make sure that the priorities where games are concerned can be executed and roadmaps are aligned. So you're kind of partnering with their quality assurance release op teams to make sure that the games are maintained and updated as needed. People don't want to go on Netflix to play a game and it not work because it's got a bug in it, it's not been updated, it's outdated, you know how that goes if you've ever played games. So you're there to identify and lead game initiatives to make sure that the team and developers have goals, the frameworks, the priorities. I would even consider this more like a project manager. You are making sure that all the other teams stay on track and get stuff done. So you're going to have to understand and review the KPIs in the live service context, just helping resolve unique and complex product issues where games are concerned through creativity and any other means necessary basically to get the job done. Now, you do have to have special skills for this job. They're looking for somebody who has at least 2 years of live service production experience, preferably somebody who's worked in mobile gaming before, 4 years experience in some kind of game production experience, like with shipping or running live services. So these are very specific experiences they're looking for. Other than that, they're looking for somebody who can track software bugs and somebody who is persuasive, has the kind of ability to influence direction, influence other teams. So you have that positive authority. Now, if you do have those specific skills, the pay range is really wide. It's going to be dependent on your experience, but goes anywhere from $50,000 a year up to $250,000 a year. And of course, if you don't mind customer service, we have Connexus Credit Union hiring. They have 65 reviews, that overall rating of 3.2 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a lending service representative. This is remote for the United States, but they do have state restrictions. If you come over here to the sidebar, they do list a few states that they hire in. They do not hire throughout the United States, but if you are in one of these states, it is basic what it says. It is a customer service representative for their loan and lending. So you're going to be taking those incoming calls, text, emails, and online banking regarding loan related questions and inquiries. So you might also have to make some outbound phone calls to members, but you are looking up transactions, completing transactions, including calculating interest that they have accrued on loans. You're posting loan adjustments, reversing different fees, anything that they have for a loan. And those loans can be car loans, mortgage loans, title loans, all the different like lending products and loans that people have taken out through this bank. Any customer service they need related to that, that's basically what you're there to do. Now, the good thing is it only requires a high school diploma or GED and 2 years of customer service experience. Now, they prefer somebody who has 1 year experience in lending, loan, or financial institution, but they're really looking for somebody who has great customer service experience. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a fabulous rest of your day, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.